Hello everyone and welcome back to another YouTube video. In this video, we are going to make a simple algo trading bot using money control API. So what we are going to do is we are going to get data from money control of live Sensex, and then we are going to do simple prediction like this on the data so that we could analyze a potential buy and sell system that we can further enhance according to our use. So here you can see I'm using, if you have knowledge of stock market, you may have idea about 21 and 50 moving averages and their crossovers. So this is a system like that. But before that, let's jump towards money control. From here in money control, you go to Sensex here, and after Sensex, you open interface like this. Now here, come near chart, go to inspect, and after inspect, go to network, and after that, you may see interface like this. If you go to like time frame according to you, 1 minute time frame is fine. You may see files like this, right? We need a file named this. So that here we can see Sensex data. I am not recording this video as of the market is not live right now. When you will go to live market, you will see the data entire Sensex in recorded time frame. As we have, I'm recording the data after the market is closed, open, close, high. You can only see four parameters, but there you would be able to see entire 5 minutes or 1 minute time frame data. So here we extract, simply get the data and save into this folder. We could use and direct API integration, but the API is paid, so we could do this, or we could extract the data from Excel sheet that we get from stockbrokers or online that record the data live. I'm not doing that as it is for educational purpose only. I have done that. We'll just post a collab notebook where I have integrated that API, but API key is secret, so I'll have to do something. Okay, so coming to the video, this is the data we have converted into data frame, obviously, so that we could do changes onto it. When we get live API, we could be simply, this procedure is same, data frame it is converted into. So for the purpose, I'm taking open. We can see there are four parameters: open, close, high, low. I am taking opening of every candle in 1 minute time frame. After that, I am for the table purpose, I am defining 21 MA as a table and value of, and after that their mean window 21 and window 50. This is useful for 21 and 50 moving average. Then I'm creating a table named df buy signal. What it does, you may know about 21 and 50 moving average crossover, right? If 21 crosses 50, 21 crosses 50, it's a buy signal. So this is what it is doing. If df 21 is greater than 50, right, it will create a buy signal, and sell signal if it 21 goes below 50, the value 50, right? So this is what the buy and sell signal are doing, and we save it in a variable buy signal, sell signal, buy signal, and we, after that, we create a simple for loop that if row buy signal buy price is equal to row value. Value is something we define here. What it does that after the buy signal is given, let's see, after the buy signal is given, this value is what, this, it says along with the date is not precise. We are talking about the plotting where the coordinate is according to the graph. So you can see it is useful to calculate a percentage change in value also and in date also. So we need, every time we need date and value to be positive if we do not want to make loss. And here row signal, row value does the same thing. And if percentage change is less than, create alert, right? So according to me, if percentage change is 0.25 from upward position, right? If the position is positive in So it should create a percentage change of 0.25 and create an alert so that you know if when you want to exit is quite sufficient profit, when you want to exit, when you don't want to exit, right? And this is simply used to plot the data. See, let's copy this, focus on this code, right? So this is buy signal, sell signal, it is given and it is showing percentage change, which is pretty nice. If it is positive, we can use moving averages like if short term like 921 depending on the person, but to get a positive value there, it is more or less using different API keys and proper fitting the data. So here we plot the data. What do we see? This is the buy signal, this is the sell signal, buy, sell, buy, sell. So what we can do here, we could add a simple term, right? See here, profit is quite high, but it is giving signal after long time. Here is profit is also very high, but sell signal. So what we can do, we can create a regulatory system for 25%. That is why I have created an alert here for 0.25%. So that this change is pretty high. If you do trading, 250 point movement is pretty high. You can see here from here to here. So it is quite interesting. Yeah, so we know about resistances and support. So in this code, if we give three resistances to the code, the alert is created using the code, right? Here the alert. So what we did here is please enter three resistance levels. So any three input level according to you is potential resistances. We can also write algorithm, but they are not optimized till now. So input resistances are better. So we run this code and then oh, here the code is. So we input first at 71,000. First resistance, second 7100, second resistance and third resistance. So here a simple alert is created after a particular resistance is crossed or the resistance is touched. Here resistance is simply touching, but here when it crosses, there is a potential move of 250 to 100 move points, right? In 5 minute time frame. So this is very useful when you get live data. Live data, the code will be entirely same. Just here the data will keep adding and the code will keep running. You could add a refresh button, or what you can do every 1 minute you could refresh. Every 1 minute refresh code will be added, so it will run the continuously run the notebook. So this in this way alerts could be created, or what you can do, you can simply go to Google Colab, keep your secret key there and simply run the code from there. What it will do, even if you are not online, it will give alerts, right? You can use a mailing system, you can mail, you can use ChatGPT to write the code. It's very easy. I have used it. The only concern is to display, you have to input your own email ID and password that I cannot do. So I'll just display, I'll just skip the GitHub link, or I'll just copy paste the code in comment section for you to go. Now many of you might know about RSI. So what this code does, gives potential for RSI for 40 above movement, right? See here, you can see the code RSI, PA.RSI indicator. There are all inbuilt indicators. So no big deal on that. Fine. So what this project actually does, you can read it from here. I'll just GitHub link, or I will just copy paste the code in comment section along with the code for you know uh, what do you say, email one. So yeah, email one code will be given in comment section. Thank you, and if you like the video, please do like and subscribe. Support is necessary.